Hello everyone, here we are here at the Cave City Coffee and Creamery in Cave City, Kentucky. Here we have this Trane XV variable speed air conditioner. Yeah, here it is. It's got a variable speed compressor. It's a heat pump. See the reversing valve in there. So there's that Trane XV. It's the Trane XV variable speed heat pump. Now I've recorded 6 heat pumps now. It is from 2016. That's a 5-ton. It's got a variable speed fan motor. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.